Hello dear student, I am Pooja, your English teacher. We are learning the lesson after 20 years. So what is the story of after 20 years? This is the story of two friends, Bob and Jimmy. They had separated 20 years ago and they decided to meet at a specific time and place after 20 years. So how they kept their promise we will see in the story. So what we had seen in the story, let's see. So one policeman walked on the street and he had seen one man lean in the corner of store with unlighted cigar, and this policeman went to the man and this man explained that he is here to wait his friend and this appointment made before 20 years ago. And he told him that there was the one restaurant, Big Brady's restaurant. Big Joe Brady's restaurant. And what did policeman said that the restaurant was torn down before 5 years. Okay, then this man light his cigar. After the light showed a pale, square-jawed face with keen eyes and a little white scare near his right eyebrow. After watching him lighted his cigar, the policeman had some thought, but he didn't tell the man. Then this man told the policeman about his friendship with Jimmy. So Jimmy was a nice man and their friendship was nice and they stayed like brothers together. And he told him that he go to the west for making his future and there is a big pretty proposition and he kept hustling around over it pretty lively. And he had one watch, the lids of it set with small diamond, and he was waiting for his friend Jimmy. And policeman said, did pretty well out west, did not you? You bet. I hope Jimmy has done half as well. He was a kind of plodder, too good fellow as he was. So policeman asked him that if your friend will come. So he said him that his friend was a kind of plodder. Plodder means someone who works slowly. So his friend is works slowly. So he is coming. I have had to compete with some of the sharpest wits going to get my file. A man gets in a groove in New York. It takes the West to put a razor edge on him. So he goes to West for making his future because he got in depression. The policeman twirled his club and took a step or two. I will be on my way. Hope your friend comes around all right, going to call time on him sharp. So that policeman wanted to leave from there and he hoped that his friend will come on sharp time. I should say not, said the other. I will give him half an hour at least. If Jimmy is alive on earth, he will be here by the time. So long, officer. So he want to give him half hour more and he is certain that his friend will come if he was alive. Good night, sir, said the policeman, passing on along his beat, trying doors as he went. So that policeman passes from there. About 20 minutes the man waited, and then a tall man in a long overcoat with collar turned up to his ears hurried across the opposite side of the street. After that, Bob waited for 20 minutes and then one man come, a tall man in a long overcoat. As you can see in picture, that man in a overcoat hurried across from the opposite side of the street. He was coming from the opposite side of the street. He went directly to the waiting man. Is that you, Bob? He asked doubtfully. So he come to the Bob and asked him that is that he is Bob. Is that you, Jimmy Wells? Cried the man in the door. So they asked each other that if he is Bob or he is Jimmy. So they got confirmed now. Bless my heart, explained the new arrival, grasping both the other's hand with his own. It's Bob, sure as fate. I was certain I would find you here if you were still in existence. What did Bob say to Jimmy? That he was certain if he is in existence, he will definitely come. Well, well, well. 20 years is a long time. The old inn gone. Bob, I wish it had lasted so we could have had another dinner there. How has the West treated you, old man? So, 20 years is a long time. So, they want to share more memories and have another dinner there. And ask him, the Jimmy asked the Bob that how the West treated him. Bully, it has given me everything I asked it for. You have changed a lot, Jimmy. I never thought you were so tall by 2 or 3 inches. So West is treated him very nicely, but what Bob said that Jimmy is changed so much and tall by 2 or 3 inches. Oh, I grew it a bit after I was 20, doing well in New York, Jimmy. And Bob asked him that if Jimmy is doing well in New York. Moderately, I have a position in one of the city department. He had a position in one of the city department. Come on, Bob, we will go around to a place I know of and have a good long talk about old time. So what Jimmy said to Bob that let's walk and talk about old times. The two men started up the street, arm in arm. The man from the west, his egotism enlarged by success, was beginning to outline the history of his career. The two men started up the street, arm in arm, and Bob is telling about his success in west, history about his career. The other submerged in his overcoat. That other person was in overcoat. Listen with interest, and he was listening with interest. At the corner stood a drugstore, brilliant with electric light. There was one drugstore. When they came into this glare, each of them turned simultaneously to gaze upon the other's face. So they looked at each other. The man from the west stopped suddenly and released his arm. And Bob released the Jimmy's arm. He feels that he is not Jimmy. You are not Jimmy Wells, he snapped. 20 years is a long time, but not long enough to change a man's nose from a Roman to a pug. So, we know that 20 years is a long time, but man cannot change. So, he recognized that this is not a Jimmy. It sometimes changes a good man into a bad one, said the tall man. What this man said that it can change the good man into a bad one. You have been under arrest for 10 minutes, Silky Bob. Chicago thinks you may have dropped over our way and wires us she wants to have a chat with you. So, this Bob is a wanted criminal of Chicago. So, police of Chicago search the Bob and that man want to arrest him. Going quietly, are you? That's sensible. Now before we go on the station, here's a note I was asked to hand you. You may read it here at the window. It's from Patrolman Wells. So who is Patrolman Wells? That officer who met him first time, and he had handed him a note. The man from the west unfolded the little piece of paper handed to him. His hand was steady when he began to read. Then he began to read, means Bob began to read, but it trembled a little by the time he had finished. The note was rather short. That note was short, so it finished very nicely. Bob. So this is from officer to Bob. I was at the appointed place on time. When you struck the match to light your cigar, I saw it was the face of the man wanted in Chicago. So this policeman was his friend and he was on time, and when the Bob lighted his cigar, he knows that he is the man wanted in Chicago. Somehow I could not do it myself, so I went around and got a plainclothesman to do the job. So his friend could not arrest him, so he sent the man to arrest. So finally that man arrests the Bob. So this is the story of two friends, Bob and Jimmy. They were good friends. Now Bob was criminal, so he arrested him. He does his job. Means that officer do did he did his personal duties and professional duties too. So this is the story of two friends. I hope you like the story and understand the story. Thank you, students.
Thank you.